Hello everyone, in today's class we are going to solve this exponential equation x power 9 plus x power 6 is equal to 36, and we have to find the value of the x which satisfy this exponential equation. Let us solve this. We write this as x power 9 can be written as 3 times 3 and 6 can be written as 3 times 2. No, we write this as x power 9 can be written as 3 times 3 plus x power 6 can be written as 3 times 2. 3 times 2 is equal to 36. No, we can write this as x power 3 bracket power 3 plus x power 3 and bracket power 2 is equal to 36 as it is. Now on the next step we break down 36 in such a way that it can be written as 27 plus 9, and 27 can be written as 3 power 3 plus 9 can be written as 3 power 2. Thus our equation will become x power 3 whole power 3 plus x power 3 bracket power 2 is equal to 3 power 3 plus 3 power 2. Now we shift our right side term to our left side. We get x power 3 bracket power 3 plus x power 3 bracket power 2 minus 3 power 3 minus 3 power 2 is equal to 0. Now on the next step we can write this as x power 3 bracket power 3 and minus 3 power 3 plus x power 3 bracket power 2 minus 3 power 2 is equal to 0. Now on the next step we have suppose that x power 3 is equal to t, then this equation will become t power 3 minus 3 power 3 plus, in place of x cube we put t, it become t square minus 3 square is equal to 0. Thus this equation will become t cube minus 3 cube plus t square minus 3 square is equal to 0. And we know that our identity a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square, and a cube a square minus b square is equal to a minus b times a plus b. And now here a is suppose that a is equal to t and b is equal to 3. Now here it become a cube minus b cube plus a square minus b square. Now we use this identity here. We get a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b, means that t minus 3 times a square, means that t square plus ab means 3 times t plus b square means that 3 square times a square minus b square is equal to a minus b, means that t minus 3 times a plus b means that t plus 3 is equal to 0. Now from here we take out t minus 3 from this term and t minus 3 from this term out. We get t minus 3 times here remaining is t square plus 3t plus 3 square means that 9, and plus t minus 3 is out and remaining is t plus 3 is equal to 0. Now on the next step we have t minus 3 times t square plus 3t plus t, it become 4t plus 9 plus 3, it become 12 is equal to 0. Now on the next step we have, here are two terms, first is t minus 3 and second is t square plus 4t plus 12. Now we on equating each term to 0, we get t minus 3 is equal to 0, or second term is t square plus 4t plus 12 is equal to 0. Now here we get t is equal to 3, and from this we have in quadratic equation, and we know that if determinant is equal to is positive, then we have real root. If determinant is less than 0 means that negative, it has no real root. For this we know that determinant is equal to b square minus 4ac, and here b is 4, a is 1 and c is plus 12, and we get b square means that 4 square minus 4 times a means 1 times c means 12. Thus it is equal to 4 square means that 16 minus 4 times 12, it become 48. Now it is equal to minus 32. Thus our determinant is negative, means that is less than 0. Negative, thus it has no real root. Thus this term is, we neglect this term and we only take this term, means that t minus 3 is equal to 0. Thus the value of t is equal to 3, but t is equal to x cube, which means that x cube is equal to 3. On cubing on both sides we get cube root of x cube is equal to plus minus cube root of 3, which means that it is equal to cube root of 3 or minus cube root of 3. Now we can cancel out this cube by cube root, and which means that our value of the x is equal to either positive cube root of 3 or negative cube root of 3, which is the required value of the x, which satisfy our equation x power 9 plus x power 6 is equal to 36. If you're new here, make sure that you have to subscribe our channel for more math videos. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.